First thing we're going to do is graph the function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a vertical line on x equals to 3. Remember that this doesn't indicate a vertical asymptote. This is just a line to help us graph the left and the right of 3. So to the left of 3, so from 0 to 3, we're going to graph the function 2x minus 1. So that's going to be a linear line. And notice that at 3 it's a closed circle because it's equal to 3. Okay. And I only graphed it from 0 to 3 because that's what the domain says. The domain says from 0 to 3. Now from 3 to 6, I'm going to graph x squared minus 8. So that is a parabola. And what I did is I found out when x equals to 3, if I substitute that into here, I get 9 minus 8, which is 1. So that means that at 3, it's 1, and here's my parabola that goes up. And because I only want it to the right of 3, I'm going to erase the left part. So notice that it was a closed circle, because it's 3, but because the blue line, which is my linear line, and the parabola meet at the same place, it's going to be a closed circle. So the first question says, is f continuous? And the thing is, yes, it is continuous. Why? Because the point exists, the limit exists, the point is equal to the limit. Remember when you write this, you need to write it in math notation. If you write it in English, you have to say, because f of 3 equals to 1, the limit as x approaches 3 of f of x equals to 1, and the limit as x approaches 3 of f of x equals to f of 1. The second question asks, is it differentiable? And this is going to be no. Why? Because it's a corner, but the way you explain this algebraically, I can't just say it's a corner. I have to show that the derivative as I come from the left is different as the derivative to the right. So if you look at the derivative on the left, it's going to be 2, because you're taking the derivative of 2x minus 5. The derivative as you come from the right is going to be 2x, but at 3 it's going to be 6. So they're not different, so they're not the same, they are different, so therefore it is not differentiable.